Good morning. You're inquiring about rolling over superannuation from your previous employer. Can I have your account number?
Isa dalawa tatlo apat lima anim pito walo, nagpalit ako ng trabaho at may dalawang super accounts. Gusto kong i-consolidate sa isa.
Having multiple super accounts means paying duplicate fees, which eats into your balance. Consolidating is a smart decision. Do you know the fund name and number for the old account?
Alam ko po ang pangalan ng previous company pero hindi ang fund name.
You can search for Lost Super through your MyGov account. The ATO keeps records of all super accounts. With your TFN, it will show everything.
May dapat po bang tingnan bago mag-consolidate?
Yes, a few important things. Check whether the old fund has any insurance attached. Consolidating could cancel that insurance. Also compare fees and investment performance to decide which fund to keep.
Hindi ko alam kung may insurance. Paano po tignan?
Check the latest annual statement from the old fund, or call them directly. Many funds automatically combine when there's only one employer contributing.
Mabuting malaman. Tingnan ko muna bago magpatuloy sa rollover.
One more thing, consider your investment options. If you're young, a growth option suits you. If you're closer to retirement, a balanced or conservative option is more appropriate. What option are you currently on?
Hindi ko alam, hindi ko pa po tinitignan. Titignan ko pareho pag uwi at babalik ako sa inyo.